Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting feature highlight of Satori 2.0. In this video, we will highlight the concept of Python-based solutions. These can now be run within the Satori user interface. This Python integration will allow for very rapid inclusion of FNIS algorithms to Satori in the future, as well as custom features developed by researchers. Python-based solutions means that code can be run to manipulate, transform, or display data in new ways within Satori. These functions can be accessed by both the drop-down menu and directly from the Workflow Manager as Python-based workflow modules. Let's look at an example in the Workflow Manager with the inbuilt frequency plot script. Customized plots like this one may be useful to execute at any time during data evaluation or pre-processing. As with any processing pipeline, you'll want to first load in the data. At this point, you might use a Python-based pre-processing or post-processing step as well. But bear in mind that the data format input and output must match any steps attached, as with any other workflow module. They will then have the functionality included in the Python file. And click Run. There are two types of Python scripts: inbuilt scripts supported by NIRx and Brain Innovation, and user-developed scripts, which have a different logo. You can also see the different logos in the background of the workflow module when placed in the working area. Satori already comes with inbuilt Python scripts. These come with proper documentation and are tested and fully supported. Python-based solutions created by users are called user-developed. These are written and used in full responsibility of the user and are not supported. Please note that there are two different locations where the Python extensions can be found. If you're using Microsoft OneDrive like I am, you will find the scripts in the Documents folder on your OneDrive as shown. If not, they will just be found in your Documents folder. Help and documentation can be found in three places: User Guides, Workflow Manager, or the Script menu. Let's take a look. Check out the Help menu and then User Guides. Or, in the Workflow Manager, right-click on the Python module in question, and then click Help. Or in the drop-down menu for each Python script. This help file must be present in the Python workflows directory to be available here. Here you can see the folder where the scripts are saved. So in this video, we have demonstrated some of the ways you can access the exciting Python-based solutions so you can get the most out of the tools that suit you best. We hope you found it useful. See you in the next video.